They're testing out the rides. There we go. Up and around it goes. Well, I am now shooting with the Action 5 Pro. And we'll turn around after I head on the pier. And we'll see some lights lit up on my right-hand side as I pass by. I saw the lights on, so I might as well come down and get the shots lit up as I ride by. Are they lit up? I can't see. Can you? We're heading out on the pier. The waves are not happening today. They're very little. And they're starting to roll in small. Let's proceed on the Action 5 Pro and get this vlog going. So we have here is again another beautiful sunrise. Real powerful indeed, called the golden hour. We'll watch Mr. Seagull. He'll take off if I get close enough. And he'll come back when he needs to. In the video behind, did you notice that it went down to 1080p because I basically rubbed my hands on the screen that caused it to change? I didn't lock it. You got to be careful not to touch your back screen. I talked about the Ace Pro 2, about the camera. Now it's time to talk about the Action 5 Pro. We all know what my settings are, like I mentioned, 4K at 30 frames per second on Pro with the shutter speed 1/200 and the ISO 100 through 25,600 minimum and maximum with the EV value on a negative 0.7 side. -2 on texture, -1 on noise reduction. Auto white balance or 53 to 5600 depending on what I'm on. And of course, tone is on neutral and the firmware I'm on is recent. I'm no longer with betaware. I don't want to be with betaware. It causes me personal problems. I'm happy with the camera, matured for me. If I wanted to go forward, all I gotta do is contact the company and maybe they'll answer me. But today, there's no answer, no responses anymore about firmware. They keep quiet, they keep silent until they need to come forward and fix an issue. I have updated and upgraded my editor called Magic's Movie Suite 2023 to 2025. A little hesitant if asked. It does its job. I get the videos on there. Does a nice job. Probably because the videos are, they're doing the proxies, saving them as they go along. It's a lot easier to work with at given times. As I use Wondershare Filmora 14, I'm happy with that program when I use it. At given times, I stutter, it's latency, and more. But it does its job. I feel the quality is not spot on, but it's there in ways. When I do 360 video in Insta360 Studio, my machine, it works. It does a good job. At times, I now know what to do and switch over to a Mac and get things done real fast. As I ride along and get to where I need to get, yes indeed, we're getting on out, finishing on up, and finishing out exploring. Grab a camera, no matter what camera it is that you have, if it's your smartphone, your old keychain camera, or just a camera. Go get the shots that you want and go share it to the world and see how easy it is to do. Some may not find it very easy and difficult to get where they need to be. And on that note, what we're going to do now is we're going to basically start to wrap this bad boy up and get on going. I didn't want to make this a long video of two cameras and doing comparisons and all. I just wanted to make a video sharing one with the Ace Pro 2 and the other with the Action 5 Pro. I shared my points, my opinions to the world the way I personally feel, and you may or may not have to agree or disagree. But I got the cameras and you can see the camera for yourself and choose for yourself what you like and what you don't like about your camera. If you're looking to get one of these cameras, keep on watching and you'll see how I share my stories. Well, it's time for me to wrap this bad boy up. Didn't I say that? Actually, it's time for me to go meet up with Joe and go take care of my bizwax. I gotta get things done and taken care of. I gotta go pick a little bit of a strawberry. Oh yeah, they're just about ready. Amazing how they survived winter. There's a lot you can do with your action camera and share the fun. I hope to see you on the next adventure. I'm Fish, and I catch you on the next video. Have a great one, everybody. Enjoy.